Hello everyone, welcome back to the one. And after this huge pump in the Bitcoin's price, and it is continuously pumping, and as I told you that it has to reverse to the downside, but we are not seeing any reversal till now. So what I think is that the price will go all the way up till this blue box right here. This is a very important order block, and it ranges from 44,840 to all the way to 47, or I would say $48,000. Because if you have watched my this previous video, I told you that 48k is very important resistance for Bitcoin price, and if the price of Bitcoin breaks $36,000 level to the upside, right, this level which it did, it will go all the way up till 48k, because there is also an important Fibonacci level also. So I will do recommend that video to watch. That video will be in the pinned comments, so do watch it on why I am saying that 48k is a very important level for Bitcoin right now. I mean, it can see some resistance, some sideways, but it will go till 48k. After that we will see a bigger reversal or bigger bearish dump to the downside. That's why I'm sure of it, and only at that level we'll find a new trade on Bitcoin, because right now entering in Bitcoin is not sensible at all. And yeah, this is it for today's video. So I'll only suggest to wait for now, not to enter, and wait for the price to either go to the 48k or show a huge reversal sign from here only. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Follow me on my Twitter. I will share my daily updates latest there, so do follow me on my Twitter as well. Link is in the pinned comments too.